Now, given this sequence an that's defined by the nth root of n, we want to find its limit. Okay. So there are many techniques that we can use to find this limit. Okay. But the key idea is that we can use what we know to find the limit. The easiest thing that we can do is that we can take the exponential, and after that we're gonna bring it back by using the log, or we can use the log and bring it back by using the exponential. That's the key idea here. Okay, but the first thing that we're gonna do is we can rewrite this one. Okay, so we have an is nth root of n, which we can write as n raised to 1 over n. Okay, so we now in this case we can rewrite this one. We can write an as e to 1 over n ln of n. Okay, so let me write one more time. So it's e to ln the natural log of n over n. Okay, so the issue now is that we have the limit of an as n goes to infinity. So here we have the limit as n goes to infinity of this one, the natural log of n over n. Okay, so the key idea that we're going to use here is that sequences are particular cases of functions. Okay, so we're going to use one technique is that since the exponential is continuous, okay, we're going to enter the limit inside. So this one gives us, because this limit exists and the exponential is continuous, so we're going to do exponential of the limit as n goes to infinity of ln of n over n. Okay, now we compute this limit here and we bring it back here. So what's this limit? The limit of ln of n over n as n goes to infinity. Okay, we know that the powers, when they combat or they fight against the log, because the powers are stronger than the log. What does it mean here? So we play this one as the power is winning. So we think of this one as what's the limit of 1 over n. So it's 0. Okay, now since we have this, okay, since we have this one here, okay, so now we can bring it back to the top. So therefore we have the limit of an as n goes to infinity is exponential of 0, which is 1. Therefore this gives us that our limit, the limit of the nth root of n is 1 as n goes to infinity. Okay, so this is one way of finding the limit. Okay, there are many different ways, but this is what we know and the easiest way to do. Okay, we use this fact here that we're gonna prove later. Okay, we're gonna use this one a lot and you will see it a lot, and you have to know the proof of it and when you to use it. So do we enter the limit here on top of this one? Do you have the right? Is it legitimate? Okay, so we need to prove it, and that's what we're gonna do in our next video.